Welcome back. In today's video, I will show you through how to convert a JSON file into a PDF. This is especially useful if you work with data, coding projects, or just need a readable document format. Let's get started. First, open up your web browser and type into the search bar, readable convert JSON to PDF. Hit enter, and from the results, click on the first link. This will take you directly to the readable website, which is a free online file conversion tool. When the site loads, you'll notice an upload section. Here you can either drag and drop your JSON file straight into the box or click the Choose File button. After that, browse your computer, find your JSON file, select it, and click Open. The upload will start immediately, and depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds. Once the file is uploaded, readable will ask you to continue. Click on Continue and then look for the Convert button. After you click Convert, the platform begins processing your JSON file and changing it into a PDF format. Process is automatic, and all you have to do is wait a short while for it to finish. When the conversion is complete, a new download button will appear on the screen. Click it, and the converted PDF will be saved to your computer's download folder. It's always a good idea to open the PDF right away and double-check that the content is formatted correctly and that nothing is missing. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech guides. See you in the next video.